Hi, my name is Rod Barris and I'm the Operations Manager here at Kleen. And today we're going to talk about the gutter cane. So the gutter cane we use to dilute the chemicals that's coming off the roof and going into the gutters. So on the gutter cane, we have a female end already glued to the gutter cane, so you don't have to worry about trying to hook it any other way. So you take the hose, the male end, you put it on the female end and you tighten it. Then you're ready to take the garden hose over to whichever part of the gutter you want to set it on. Ideally, you want to set it on right where the downspout attaches to the gutter. Adjust the water pressure how you want it and then hang it. Anytime we're doing any roofs, we always clean out the inside of the gutter and the outside of the gutter. This gutter has a lot of blockages. So what we want to do is take out all the debris that's out of it, but we don't want to just throw it out on the people's landscape or their driveway. We want to have bags, and we bag everything and haul it away. So on this particular house, Jason, our lead tech, is cleaning the roof, but he has two gutters one's going to the one side of the house, the other's going to the other. So as he is applying his chemical solution, he actually has chemical going on two separate gutters. This is a perfect time for you to use two gutters with the Y splitter. So on here, you would typically put your gutter cane about halfway, so it's rinsing everything that's going down to the other gutter. And here on this corner, as he's cleaning the roof and he's going to come to this section, the chemical that's coming off this section of the roof is running down this gutter and then traveling down the tile down this gutter, and it's going to a different downspout. That's why we want to use two different gutter canes on this application. Anytime you're using the gutter cane, you want to always make sure that the gutters are cleaned out. If there's any kind of debris, we want to remove that debris before you use the gutter cane. If we don't do that, let's say if there's just a little bit of debris and we just say, okay, it's fine, and you run the gutter cane, that debris is just going to travel down and probably clog up your downspout, causing overflowing. And that's something we do not want to do.